Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to log out of a Gmail account in a laptop or a PC. If you find this helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we need to do is open up our browser. And what we want to do is just come across to gmail.com. You'll see I'm already signed in to my digital tutor account in the top right hand corner. And then once you come onto your Gmail, all you need to do is click onto your profile icon, which is up here in the right hand corner. And then what you want to do, I've got a couple of accounts signed in. If you've only got one account, it's just going to say sign out of account down here. But if you've got multiple accounts signed in, then all you need to do is click down here and it will say sign out of all accounts, and that's going to sign all your accounts out of Gmail. What you can also do is if you come up here and click on to manage your Google account, and then if you click onto this little padlock icon, if you click onto this option, and at the top here it says your devices. If you go ahead and click down on that, you're going to see all your devices that are currently signed in. So we've got Windows, HP, this is the device I'm on at the moment, the laptop, and you can see my phone's also signed in. So this gives you a better idea. So if you signed out of this one, it's going to show you where else you're signed in. So if you wanted to sign out on your phone as well, it's going to tell you from here whether you're signed in or not. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.